Today is the day that I face the cold reality, hurt my ego, and admit that the subscriber base on this channel is way smarter than me. Listen, we talk tools. We got pros on this channel as subscribers. We got electricians, HVAC, mechanics, plumbers, carpenters, woodworkers, and DIYers, all kind of people. Just all kind of different people and trades coming to this channel and sharing ideas. Now, I'm going to tell you why I'm making this video here in a bit, but I want to let you know that I get a ton of comments all the time from the subscribers and non-subscribers about tools that they are using or tradesmen talking about how they might do one thing different than somebody else and how it makes their life a lot easier. Yeah, we're talking tips and tricks. And when I read a lot of these comments, I sit back and say to myself, damn, that is a good idea. Why didn't I come up with that? It's something that I wish I could have shared with all of you. But what happens is sometimes they'll leave a comment in the comment section. Somebody might not see it. Maybe somebody didn't see the video and they're missing out on that awesome trick or tip. Let me give you an example real quick. I needed a magnet for my microphone. So I went to Amazon. I bought some rare earth magnets that everybody kept talking about on the channel. And I really liked them. They work great for my microphone to hold it on the lapel. But I started using them to hang tools up on my toolbox. When I made that video, other people started commenting about how they use their rare earth magnets, and some of the comments were like, that is freaking insane. What an awesome freaking idea. I mean, we're talking genius levels here, people. And I wanted to get that information out to the other subscribers or people to come by this channel and want to learn some really cool tips and tricks when it comes to tools or building something or whatever. So I came up with an idea. What was it? What we're going to do is come out with a Tool Tip Tuesday. And if you're a plumber, HVAC, electrician, mechanic, carpenter, whoever you are, if you have an awesome idea or tip or trick that you want to share with the audience, leave me a comment in the comment section below and we are going to start the Tool Tip Tuesdays. And the best thing about it is it's not going to be one of those long drawn out 10-minute videos. It's only going to take 2 minutes to get that tip out there. You can come, watch the video, get the information, and you can go watch another video on the TRZ channel if you want. Or you can just go back to work and use the tip that you just learned right here. But what's cool about this is I am going to pick one tip a week. We're going to do a Tool Tip Tuesday. So whoever's tip is picked in the comments section, I'm going to give you a shout out on the video. Just like I did on those other comments when I was showing, the magnetic video. Yeah, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to screenshot your name. I'm going to leave the comment that you left and I'm giving you the shout out. So maybe you are a YouTube creator. Well, maybe that'll help you grow, give you some exposure. It's like one big happy family here. I don't care if it's woodworking. I don't care if it's plumbing. I need a lot of help with plumbing. I'll use those tips when it comes to plumbing. Maybe it's a tool that you have and there's a cool little button or something that you never knew about and all of a sudden you figured out what it did and you want to share that. You want to scream it out across the mountaintops. Well, now you can do it. If it's picked, I'll put you and that tip up on the video. Now today is Monday. It's the 22nd of February, 2021. Tomorrow is the 23rd. It's Tuesday. I am going to have our first Tool Tip Tuesday starting tomorrow. So if you're not a subscriber, you might want to get subscribed and click that bell notification so you don't miss out on these tips heading your way. Now, I'm not going to drag this video out. I just think this is a really cool idea. Tool Tip Tuesday, you get a bunch of different tips from a bunch of different trades and everybody's sort of working together, getting that information out there, giving people shout outs, everybody's getting exposed. I'm very excited about this. So again, leave me a comment in the comment section of this video. What tips do you want to share? And if you're picked, I'll see you on the next video. So start leaving comments in the comment section below. I already have a tip picked out for tomorrow's video, but hey, if this thing gets bigger and bigger, maybe we'll expand it to a Tool Tip Thursday. We'll do 2 in a week. And then all kind of people are getting information and just crazy stuff. We'll see you there. Thanks for stopping by. We'll be back with more videos soon.